Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into how rear suspension design shapes vehicle dynamics, especially when it comes to performance driving. Whether you're carving corners or pushing the limits on a track, precision, traction, and feedback are everything. Let's break down the engineering behind it and see what makes a suspension setup truly shine in spirited driving scenarios. Suspension architecture and dynamic response. First up, let's talk suspension architecture. There are two big players here: independent rear suspension or IRS and solid axle systems. With IRS, each wheel moves on its own. That's huge for grip. Picture this: your mid-corner, the road's uneven, and a multi-link setup, like what you'd find on an Acura NSX, keeps those tires glued to the pavement. It's all about managing lateral forces with clever control arm geometry. Plus, IRS cuts down on sprung mass compared to a solid axle, so the car feels more agile when you flick it into a turn. Downside: it's complex and can take a beating under extreme launches. Think wheel hop if you're not careful. Now, solid axles. They're tough as nails, perfect for high torque setups. But here's the catch: push it hard, and you'll get wheel hop. The wheels are locked together, so traction and control suffer. Off-road, they're champs for articulation. But on the road, precision takes a hit. Geometry tuning for performance. Next, let's geek out on geometry. Camber and toe are your MVPs here. Negative camber tilts the tires outward at the top, maxing out grip when you're leaning into a corner. Too much, though, and you'll chew up the inner edges on the highway. Toe in, where the rear wheels angle slightly inward, keeps things stable when you mash the gas, countering that squirmy feel. Then there's spring and damper tuning. Rising rate springs get stiffer as they compress, great for balancing comfort. With anti-roll control during quick weight shifts, like trail braking. Dampers. High-speed compression stops the car from bouncing over crests, while low-speed tuning keeps body roll in check mid-turn. Adaptive systems and mode-specific tuning. Things get really cool with adaptive systems. Electronically controlled dampers, like on Acura's Sport Hybrid SHAWD, let you flip a switch for sport or track mode. Damping ramps up rear squat drops during acceleration, and you get razor-sharp throttle steer response. Some even tweak torque vectoring on the fly for neutral cornering. Flip to comfort mode, though, and it's all about soaking up bumps. Though you might notice a bit of understeer from slower weight transfer. Oh, and NVH noise. Vibration, harshness matters too. Toyota's Mirai FCV nails this, isolating high-frequency buzz, while still letting you feel the road. That's driver confidence right there. Design trade-offs and performance applications. Every design's got trade-offs. Weight distribution is huge. Mid-engine cars like the NSX keep suspension bits near the center of gravity, less rotational inertia, snappier turn-in. But stiffness? It's a balancing act. Go too rigid, think track-only setups, and you'll lose traction on bumpy roads. Too soft, and body roll throws you off in quick transitions. Terrain matters too. IRS dominates on pavement with its wheel control, but solid axles still rule off-road for articulation at low speeds. Key takeaways for automotive engineers. So, what's the bottom line? IRS is king for performance driving. Better wheel control, endless tuning options, even if it's a bit complex. Geometry, camber, toe, roll center has to match the vibe you're going for, and aggressive setups need the right tires and diffs to back them up. Adaptive systems? They're the bridge between daily driving and track days, but only if they sync perfectly with the powertrain and stability controls. And never sleep on weight distribution or on sprung mass. Those are your secret weapons for killer transient response. Is this video helpful for you out fun driving? That's it for today's deep dive. What's your take, IRS or solid axle for spirited driving? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if you learned something, and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. See you in the next one.